Hi, my name is Valeriy Prushinskiy. In my videos I'll tell you about inventions and patents of young and promising modern companies that already have multi-million sales or hoping to have them soon. I'm TRIZ specialist, but most of you have never heard this abbreviation and do not know what is TRIZ. TRIZ is Theory of Inventive Problem Solving. This is science that in process of development for more than 60 years. The founders of this science have decided to find strong patents, study them, reveal powerful inventive principle inside this invention, and then teach everyone to invent. That's why I decided to make these short 5 to 10 minutes videos where I will talk about modern companies, their patents in field of Internet of Things, smart homes, smartphones, and even about new space technologies, and of course about TRIZ-tools that could be utilized in these inventions from my personal point of view. And we begin with quiz about one of these modern companies. Now you will see floating pop-up question in this right top corner of the screen, and you can click or touch it and select your answer. This company operates in more than 190 countries. It was established for selling and renting of DVD discs. It delivered to the customer, just a second, 1 billionth DVD disc in 2007. Guess what is the name of the company? Okay, let's talk about one of the early patents of this company. This patent is patent on regular mailing envelope. The thing is that time the company was faced with inventive problem. When its founders decided to start renting of DVD discs, they assumed that the users will visit their website and will find DVD discs that they want to watch, then they will order and have it delivered by regular mail, and after it they will watch it on their TV with DVD player, and finally will send this DVD back to the company. Initially it was decided to put first envelope with DVD disc and then to place second envelope with printed return address inside it. But second envelope increases expenses and weight. The mail is paid by weight. So now imagine that you are in business of sending millions of DVD discs to your consumers every year. Multiply small weight of the second envelope by million, and I'm sure same second you will be keen to reduce the expenses. So there is a problem. The company must send to consumer second envelope for return mail, and it should not, because it increases weight and expenses. So this is patent 699/9484. Look at the pictures that explain the solution. So what was before? Before it was regular envelope just protecting DVD. And now after, inventors proposed envelope with the foldable external side, and return address and stamp is printed on internal side. This way, after watching the DVD, consumer will tear down foldable external part along this perforation and will send DVD back without any additional efforts, because return address is already printed on internal surface of this envelope. From my point of view, it looks like TRIZ principle known as principle of transition into another dimension. So this principle could be applied in this patent. Why? Because one of the recommendations of this principle is to utilize backside of the object. So Despite successful business in 2000, the company started spending money on future. And the future for them was research and development of delivery of video through internet. And once again, its researchers and engineers are faced with inventive problem. But please don't forget that it was more than a decade ago, and the internet was not as fast as today. It was slow. So imagine that you want to watch a movie via internet that time. You selected the movie in web catalog, you pushed the button, but movie didn't begin. Finally, buffering of the video started, then first, second one, third, but movie is not started yet. I do remember that it was terribly annoying. Let's see the patents about this matter. So this is one of them. So in this patent number 868-2139, inventors had an idea. We stream video and audio. What is downloaded longer? Of course it's video. That's why they decided to separate video and audio. This way, audio starts playing immediately, and the video is started couple seconds later, then they synchronized and coming together. So in process of solving this problem, the inventors have separated sound from video. In TRIZ, this recommendation is generalized and called separation of contradiction in time. This way, if the system has opposite requirements, it's better to carry out these conflicting requirements, functions or operations in different periods of time. Meanwhile, year 2018 was complete success for the company. It had 137 millions of users all over the world. Did you recognize the company? Not yet? Okay, here is additional information. User interface of the company was translated into 22 languages. Then website of the company was ranked 30th highest in traffic. Then market capitalization of the company exceeded $100 billion in January 2018. Imagine how many inventive problems they have to solve to attract so huge number of consumers. And here is another problem they have faced. Before the beginning of streaming, as we know it now, people used at first to download large video files from the web and then to watch the movies. Maybe you remember there were many video players with the user interface that you can move by the slider and jump forward when you want to watch video from the certain part. For example, yesterday I watched the beginning of some movie. So today, when I restart my watching, I can move the slider forward, look at the part where I have stopped, and then continue watching. I believe that this user interface was developed because that time designers were inspired by DVD players and the user interfaces, so everyone was used to watch DVDs and use user interface of DVD player where one can easily rewind video forward and backward. But how to rewind video that is not downloaded on your computer yet? And this problem is solved in patent 8365235. The inventors proposed to split video into many small pieces and then insert still pictures, not videos, between these segments at the beginning of each segment. Now one can easily rewind not downloaded video based on these still images. It looks like here the problem was solved by separation of video into small parts and then insertion of still pictures into it. I believe that inventive principle named preliminary action could be applied in this case. One of the recommendations of this principle advises to place the objects in advance, so they can interact without wasting of time and from the most convenient place. Who could think that recommendation proposed and developed in 70s is not rusty and still can be applied in modern inventions? For people who are still guessing, the name of the company is Netflix. It looks like strong inventive principles can still be found in patents of modern companies. Learn TRIZ, apply it in your interest, file strong patents and increase capitalization of your companies. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Next time we'll start from quiz again, and it would be quiz about another modern company. In 1989, when founder of this company worked in Apple, his friends used to call him Android for his passion for robots. Next, he worked in Danger, another interesting company that designed cool phone with a sliding display and mechanical full QWERTY keyboard that was great for texting and emailing. When he left Danger, he established Android, company which was acquired by Google in 2005. Still guessing? We'll talk more next time. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like our video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.